Hi, we are now in Crowne Plaza Hotel in San Francisco Airport. This is the view from the entrance door. I'm going to bring you to a room walkthrough. At the left side is a bathroom. Standard bathroom. This is the sink, soap, liquid soap, toilet, towel. It's quite clean, although the hotel looks like a little bit old. Soap here. I think this is a standard soap for the Crowne Plaza Hotel. This is the shower. You can enjoy the shower. Hot water. Big mirror. Okay, I arrived here from the airport by shuttle bus. This is complimentary. This is the place to store your luggage and clothes. Not too big, but okay. They give you a ironing board and also the iron itself. Manual switch. No need to insert the card. TV. From the television size, we can guess that this TV is quite old because of the thickness. See, the newer version of the TV is much more slimmer. I got a king size bed, air conditioning, water sprinkler, side tables. They don't give you a daily complimentary drink. You need to buy at the lobby. This is empty, no minibar you can use. There's a glass. Light, table, and the coffee machine. Cable is quite messy. Standard US electric outlet coffee machine with a capsule. Quite nice. Aircon unit, and I guess a heater also. Okay. This is the view to the highway. Okay, quite a nice hotel. This is room 411 on the 4th floor. the price of this room is not too expensive, around I think 150 US dollar plus minus. Okay, this is the end of my room tour. Please support me by clicking the like and subscribe button. Thank you very much. Bye bye.